What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today I'm going to teach you guys the 5 basic kicks, whether it's in Taekwondo or in Karate. And they are the front snap kick, the roundhouse, the side kick, hook kick, and of course, the axe kick. First one we're going to do is called the front snap kick. Now what we're going to do is going to get into our fighting stance. And when we kick with our back leg with our knee. Now this is front snap kick with the back leg. So when you straight up kick, remember every one of your kicks, at least the majority of kicks, start with the knee going up first. So when you kick up, boom, front snap kick. You could go straight leg up and down, you can, but that's not a front snap kick. From this angle, so you can see it. So with my back leg, watch out for buddy though too. My fighting stance, I lift my knee up first, and then extend out my kick. And then with enough momentum, it'll gain higher. And then back. Once again, back. The next kick we're going to do is called the roundhouse kick. Now from your angle, the roundhouse kick looks like this. That's roundhouse. Just like I said before, you bring the knee right up like so, and make sure when you do it, angle it. You make sure that you're not doing this way. Your leg is parallel to your hips, heel, hip, knee ratio straight down to my opponent. Extend the leg out and bring it back. Do the roundhouse kick. A roundhouse kick like this, boom. It's kind of like a front snap kick, like so, but instead you're not doing it upward that way. You're actually doing a front snap kick sideways. So instead of like this, you turn around, boom, bring it that way. So, boom, other side, boom, like so. Next one we're going to do is going to do the side kick. Now the side kick is when you bring your leg up like so, and we call this a rechamber. So when we chamber, make sure our foot, our bottom foot is facing that direction, and extend the kick out, boom, like so. So all together is like this. Boom. 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 But the side kick is that when you bring your leg up, like so, whoosh. You also pivot the bottom foot, make sure your toes are pointing in the opposite direction, like so. Extend out that kick, boom, bring it back. Exactly. Also with the side kick, if you want to put more pressure, more force into it, you can bring your knee up to your chest and extend it out. So if somebody was coming towards me, what I have to do, let's say for instance, is this tree. I could just go ahead and do the side kick like that, like so. Or I could just bring my knee up and extend that force outward and bring it back. And that's the side kick. All right, the next one we're gonna do is called the hook kick. Now for your angle, the hook kick looks like this. Once again, one more time. That's a hook kick. Now for the hook kick, what you're gonna do is you're gonna lead your leg up like you do with the side kick. And instead of you doing a straight up side kick like so, you're gonna bring your foot outward that way and bring it in. So if you look at it from this angle, it looks like you're doing this. Hook kick. You're sending your foot out, not too far out, but enough for you to actually go straight out to your opponent and then bring it back. You do that hook kick, whoosh. You bring it back into a rechamber, and that's the hook kick. Next one, finally, and last but not least, is called the axe kick. Oh, sorry, buddy. For the axe kick, it's saying you bring the leg straight up and then down. It's devastating, and it's definitely effective and dangerous, depending on which part of your foot you use. You either use the bottom of your foot or the heel, and with the heel, it's going to cause devastating blow. So for the axe kick, it looks like this. Once again, that's axe kick. From this angle, you can either do the 2 ways I did it, which was bring the leg up and bring it back, or bring the leg up and step forward. You don't want to use your whole knee to bring it up. Now you could, but then it won't really cause that much devastation. It looks somewhat similar to the front snap kick that I showed you earlier. Leg straight, and hopefully buddy don't get in the way. He loves being out here with me doing this stuff. Okay, now time to play, buddy. Okay. Up to the air and straight down. We're gonna do it again, like so. Boom. One more time. Boom. Your direction. Boom. And that is the axe kick. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in for this quick little tutorial for how to do the 5 basic kicks within either Karate or Taekwondo. It's Hot Kaiju. Thank you guys so much. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Notification bell for any more future videos. Be on the lookout for this video right here. That's right. Bronze Tiger versus Batman coming soon to both my channel and to the Haywa channel. Stay tuned, guys. Peace.